Are you struggling to make your photos stand out online? Do you struggle or find yourself wondering whether to invest in a professional photographer or take the photos yourself? In this video, we'll explore the key factors to help you decide, and I'll share my journey from DIY photography to hiring a professional photographer. Yes, the professional needs a professional. By the end of this video, you will know exactly when to invest in a professional photo shoot and how to prepare for it, ensuring your products look stunning and attract your ideal customers. So let's dive in. Hi everyone, I am Monique, a photographer specializing in product, food, and dessert photography. I help small business owners like yourself elevate your product images from amateur snapshots to professional quality visuals using a smartphone and professional camera. Today, we're going to tackle a common dilemma many business owners face: when to hire a professional photographer versus doing it yourself. I have a little bit of expertise in both areas, and I'd like to share my story. Let's face it, in today's digital age, first impressions are critical. Your product images are often the first thing potential customer sees, and they can make or break the image in the sale. High quality images not only attract customers, but also build trust and credibility for your brand. Do you have a product or service that people want? Testing out your product first can be tricky. You want to have great images regardless of whether the product will be around for the long haul or not, because first impressions are the most lasting impressions. How do you want people to remember you and your product when they see or hear your name? Investing in a brand photo shoot can be costly, and you wouldn't want to waste it on a product that isn't going to stick around. Maybe you know this is a product that will sell, so you immediately go for the professional branding photo shoot right off the bat. There's nothing wrong with that. But there are many business owners who are not sure what their customers will want to purchase from them, even with the right market research and competition analysis. Many business owners don't have time or resources to waste on a photo session with a product that will be done away with by tomorrow. They want to make sure that the product will be around and make them money in the long run. But here's the gag: your photos must be eye-catching and attractive to your ideal customers to make them want to buy your product. So what do you do in this case? Here is how I started my first branding shoot. First, I learned the basics of photography, whether it's using a smartphone or a digital camera. Start by taking photos yourself. You want to make sure the investment is the right move. So first, you capture these beautiful images yourself to see if the product will sell and if it's popular among the things that you do sell. Take multiple shots, such as 45-degree hero shots, 90 degrees, and flat lays, all depending on the product, of course. The more angles you can take to help the viewer understand what your product is and what they will get, the better. Don't have your potential customers guessing about the product. Visually tell them so that it makes the buying decision easier for them. As you are making your sales, notice which products are your top sellers. If you sell multiple things, colors, or sizes, this will be the indicator that you should get a professional photo shoot of these items. This is the time frame to start doing your brand photography research. In your search, ask yourself a few questions. What type of product do I want to capture? Find the type of photographer who can demonstrate their ability through their portfolio to capture these types of images that you want. What are their aesthetics? When is their availability to take the photos? Is there a wait list? What is their booking process? Does it require deposit or pay in full? Do they seem to capture a variety of styles? And do you see yourself within those styles? Do they have links to their client work? And if so, can you reach out to the clients to ask them about their experiences with their photographer? Do they have a page review? Do they have a studio that is already ready for props that you can use for your photo shoot? Of course, you want to come with your own props because it is all about you. But some photographer studios, they will have a kitchen scene, a bathroom setup, an office setup, or even outdoor scenes within their studio with the props to match? Will they come to you if you have a storefront or if you want to capture the photos within your bakery or store? What type of packages do they offer? How many edits do they offer? Do they have some sort of freebie that tells you more about their process and or how to prepare for any photo shoot? How hard is it to find information on their website, or how easy is it for you to connect with them? Are they responsive? All right, saving the best for last. What is their pricing range? Know how much you want to spend, but keep in mind, you get what you pay for. I mentioned this item last because, in my opinion, if you like their work, then you need to be willing to pay for their services. It is an investment in you. This could be controversial, but yeah, it's definitely an investment in yourself. Now, what happens if you are someone who produces tons of product each week? Take, for example, a baker, since that was my past life, and I can speak on this. Each and every cake is unique to the client. You want to capture these beautiful creations to show others what you are capable of in your portfolio. Plus, who doesn't want photos of your work just because it's you? So in this case, do you hire a professional photographer for each cake each week? Well, if you got it like that and someone is always available, then go ahead, by all means, do your thing. But like most, we don't have the time or resources to do that for every single order. So therefore, you need to become that photographer and learn how to capture these photos yourself. I want to reiterate that you still need a professional photo shoot or someone professional to capture these most popular items for yourself. But when you are creating, for example, again, cakes each week, each one is unique and different, you definitely want to learn how to capture these beautiful photos yourself. At the end of the day, and what your goals are, you eventually need to hire a professional photographer. I know I sound like a broken record. You want to find someone who will help highlight to a potential customer why your products reign supreme above everyone else's. The photographer's job is to make you stand out and to make you and your product look good. Don't ever skip the step in your business. Do a photo shoot of your products and of course of yourself, the person who is behind the product. A professional photographer brings high quality equipment, expertise in lighting, location, and styling, as well as post-production skills, or at least they should. They understand how to capture unique, personalized sessions that reflect you and your brand aesthetics. Their reliability and punctuality ensures that your photo shoot goes smoothly and efficiently. In summary, knowing when to hire a professional photographer versus doing it yourself is critical for success of your business. Start by learning the basics of photography, identify your top selling products, and then invest in a professional photographer to elevate these products. And as I stated, when first starting out, it is okay to not know about a particular branding photographer or getting branding photos, but you must learn how to capture these beautiful images on your own until you go and do your research on a photographer and also understand which products, or maybe you want to do all products, but what product or service that you want to capture professionally. And in between time, do them yourself, but make them look good. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content on product photography and business tips. Check out my video series on what to look for in a branding photography or photographer and know how to prepare for these sessions. Don't forget to share your own experiences or questions in the comment below. What else would you like to learn about these sessions, photography sessions? For more resources, including freebies and course materials, visit my website linked below in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time. So this is after I've recorded the content. Y'all, I did so many bloopers. I couldn't get my words right this time, y'all. I was just doing so many bloopers. Here's a few just for reference, just for giggles. Check them out. Hi everyone, my name is Monique, Hi everyone, I am Monique, Can I say this daggone word? Hello, I am Monique, so that it makes the buying decision easier for them. That's so freaking ghetto.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
Oh my God.